Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Today I have a fragrance haul. So if you want to see exactly what fragrance I've purchased recently, please continue to watch. Okay, we are back. Before I get into the haul, people always want to know, what is your fragrance of the day? So, my fragrance of the day is K. Elixir 11 and the House of Oud Whisper of Enlightenment. Okay, that's what I'm wearing today. Okay, and they also want the outfit of the day, and I will insert a picture of my outfit of the day. Okay, I went outside and I had my husband take a couple pictures of me so y'all can see my outfit of the day. Okay, now let's go ahead on with this haul. Okay, in this haul I have two fragrances from each house. The first house is the House of Oud number 9, and the second house is the House of Oud. Okay, so let's start off with the House of Oud. Okay, this is the packaging for the House of Oud. Simple brown with gold, and it says a 75 milliliter ED perfume, 2.54 ounces, and the name of this fragrance is Wonderly. Okay, yes, pop this up, and there is the egg. Yes, the House of Oud fragrances bottle design is an egg, and this is it, and it says the House of Oud. And like these are hand blown bottles, so you would not find two bottles alike at all. Okay, so regardless of what fragrance you get, it would not look identical to this bottle at all. Okay, so like I said, this is the bottle. You can hold it up like this and this will not fall off. Okay, take the top like that, and this is what you get. I mean, this is gorgeous. Just look at the color of the egg. This is gold, or else you can say a bronze color, and then you got the brown and the bronze mixing together. I mean, this is gorgeous, y'all. Simply gorgeous. I love the eggs. Okay, let's see what the juice smells like. And here's the juice. Oh, did y'all see that spray on this? Now this is what you call a spray. This is gorgeous, y'all. I'm not gonna do an in-depth video on this. All I'm doing is opening it, showing you all what I purchased, and just sniffing it. And I might give you one or two notes that I smell in this fragrance. Now, what I smell definitely in this one is jasmine. I smell my jasmine. And it smells kind of nutty, so I think maybe it has almonds in it. Some kind of nut. I think it's almond. Yeah, this smells good to me. The House of Oud Wonderly. Y'all need to check it out. The second fragrance from the House of Oud And this is the presentation of it. It's totally different than the other one. And this one is also a 75 milliliter ED Parfum, 2.5 full ounce. And this says Empathy. And this is the Clan Garden Collection. Okay? So you just push it out like this because it just got a sleeve. And then you open it like this. And this is just a card just to tell you about the House of Oud. And this is the bottle. Y'all look at this bottle. Look at this bottle. I mean, it is gorgeous. Now, it look berry looking, don't it? Look like a raspberry kind of color. This is gorgeous, isn't it, y'all? Gorgeous. Same thing. I mean, gorgeous. Wow. Let's take the top off this. Spray. Wow. Did y'all see that spray? Did y'all see that spray? Mmm. 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 In this one, I smell some kind of berries. And since this color to me look like a raspberry, I'm going to say it's a raspberry. Mmm. This is very fruity. You let this dry down. Let me see what else I smell in this. It smells musky. And it also got some oud in it. Not that much, but it does have oud in it. This is gorgeous, y'all. Gorgeous. The House of Oud, Empathy. Y'all need to check them out. Check them out. Check them out. That's the second one. Like I said, if y'all want an in-depth video on any of these fragrances, you need to comment in the bottom section of this video and let me know you want me to do an in-depth video or whichever fragrance here that you want me to do it on, okay? Now, we going to the next house. And this is the House of Bond number 9. And my first fragrance from Bond number 9 is Greenwich. Greenwich Village. Look at this box. Gorgeous. Green, like snake skin. It said Greenwich Village, Bond number 9, NYC, and this is in gold writing. Look on the side, same thing. Got your gold in the inside. On the side, you got your green. I mean, this is a gorgeous packaging. Gorgeous. Then you open it up. And this is the bottle. Look at that, y'all. Gorgeous. It's just like the outside packaging. Just like it. Look at this bottle, y'all. Gorgeous. We just hope the juice smell just as good as the bottle look. Okay? Okay. Let's open it up. And let's spray. Okay. Don't really care for the spray on it, but hey. Very odd. Something in this fragrance is odd. I definitely smell something on, some citrusy. But it's something odd in here. I can smell just a little jasmine peeping through. Yeah. Like maybe it got some amber in it. Very odd. Well, like I said, this is not an in-depth review. This is just a first impression. Open up the bottle, let y'all see what it is, and I say a couple of notes once again. I'm definitely got to keep wearing this. Because I don't know about that one. I'm definitely on the fence with that, because there's something in here. I don't know, it's got lychee in here, something in here that, I'm not going to say I don't like it, but it got to grow on me, and I got to keep wearing it. I got to wear that. Yeah. Okay. Bond number 9, Greenwich Village. And the last fragrance I have is Bond number 9 again. And this is the packaging. And this is Bond number 9, ChinaTown. I love the color. And this is like a dog pink, fuchsia color. And I picked this up because of the Eva Monroe. She loved ChinaTown from Bond number 9. And I looked at the notes and I said, well, maybe I like that. So let me check it out. Okay, you open it up. And this is what the bottle looks like. Okay, I'm going to take it out. And this is the bottle. And on this side, you see the dog pink with the white flowers. On this side, it's white, and it got the dog pink flowers. I thought that was cool. This top does not stay on. Not at all. Let me know if y'all have a problem with y'all top, for those who have this fragrance. I mean, what is it with this top? Do I need to call somebody, get in touch with somebody, say I got a defective top? I mean, or what is it with this top? I don't know. Okay, let's spray. Okay. At first spray, right off the bat, I smell bergamot and cardamom. I mean, it's just totally up my nose. And I think I smell some gardenia or S. patchouli in this, or both. The Eva Monroe. You might be right. I like that. Bond number 9, ChinaTown. Okay, those are the 4 fragrances that I have in this haul. So comment in the bottom section of this video and let me know, do you have any of these fragrances? And if so, what do you think about them? And also, let me know if you want an in-depth video on either one of these fragrances or all 4 of them. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.